So I've just got the pin in just a little bit to hold the striker block while we check this trigger. Pre-travel seems to be greatly reduced. We'll measure it in a while, but looks like the, excuse me, that is resetting. Still no real solid reset, but and it doesn't move very much at all. So I'm going to have to adjust that at all. But the safety isn't working for some reason. So I guess I'm going to have to call. Yeah, so in case any of you have the same problem, I'm going to have to call Apex, and I believe it's because the pre-travel surface of the trigger is, I'm going to have to remove some material here. I hope that's all it is, but as you can see, the safety lever is not extended. I mean, it is already compressed by as if the trigger had already been pulled slightly in the frame, but that's as far forward as it will go. It will not move forward more forward than that. And I assume that's because they've dialed out the pre-travel with this surface here. So I hope they don't want me to, I doubt they'll have me modify the frame, but they might tell me to have to take some area, some material off the front of this trigger here to allow it to come forward enough so that the safety can activate. It's really close. I can see the tab of it. I don't know if maybe you can see the tiniest little bit of right back up under there. Maybe not. There you can kind of see a little bit of air right there. That tiny little dot right there. But it's not letting it come down. So maybe I'll just, well, I'll call them and see what they say, but maybe I'll just take a little bit of sandpaper to that casting mark right there on the back of the frame, the back of the trigger guard, because it looks like it's just barely holding it. Oh, there it goes. I had to pull forward quite a bit, but it won't. That definitely won't reset. Now it's stuck there basically from the pressure of hitting it. Yeah. So I'm going to take. Let's see. Yeah, it's right on the casting mark, so it might just be a couple of thousandths of that plastic on the casting mark that's keeping that safety from extending. I'll try that.